Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you two ways to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting on your ID. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear. Now click on the profile. Click on the videos that are in your draft. Select that video. Now you can see option save. You have to click on the save. This draft video will be saved in your gallery. The next one is you have to click on the next icon and click on this who can view this post. When you have to select only you, then post that video. Click on post. That video will be posted in your gallery. And now come to back and you can see your video will be posted here. Now click on the three dots and save on this video will be saved in your gallery. Now again click on the marks and you have to click on the delete. Your video will be deleted from your TikTok gallery. Thank you so much. That was all, that how to save draft videos in your gallery. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.